Hi everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I'm going to show you how we use a long-range wireless security camera system as part of our overall video surveillance strategy here at CCTV Camera Pros. The wireless system consists of that LPR camera that you see behind me down low and the two overview cameras that you see up high on that pole. Those are AI security cameras, the ones up high, and all three of these cameras are network IP cameras. They're connected to a network switch, and the network switch is connected to that wireless antenna that you see up top there. That wireless antenna is obviously the transmitter, and it's transmitting 100 feet back this way to our building to the receiving antenna. So, walk backwards here for a second. So, behind me, you can see I'm approaching another antenna that looks, it is the same antenna that's on the pole out there, but that one is set up to be the receiver, and then that one is connected to our network inside the building that our network video recorder is connected to. Let's take a look at this diagram first so I can explain in detail how this was installed, and then I'll show you some videos that were recorded using these cameras. We've had this up and running for about 5 or 6 months now, and it's working great, not just for video, but we're doing license plate recognition and AI object detection over that wireless bridge, which requires even a higher quality than just regular video. So let's take a look at the diagram first, and then we'll talk more after. On the right-hand side of the diagram, you can see the 3 security cameras that are installed on the pole. The red lines illustrate the Cat5 Ethernet cable that is used to hardwire these cameras to a PoE network switch that is housed in the weatherproof NEMA box. The NEMA box is illustrated using that gray rectangle. You see, in reality, these are Viewtron network IP cameras. They do not have built-in Wi-Fi. The wireless bridge is what makes all of them wireless. The uplink port on the PoE switch is connected to the transmitting antenna of the wireless bridge, and the IP signal from all 3 cameras is transmitted. On the left-hand side, that large rectangle is used to illustrate CCTV Camera Pros building. The receiver antenna on the building is hardwired to a network switch using Cat5 cable. I have 1 camera on that building for illustration, but in reality, we have many IP cameras installed around our building. The IP camera is hardwired to the same network switch. Our IP camera NVR is connected to the same network switch as well. The NVR records video from all IP cameras on the network. The third device that you see on the left is a modem for internet connectivity. In our case, we use a dedicated fiber optic modem, but this could be a cable modem or any other type of internet access. Please note that a modem is optional in these security camera systems and only needed if you want to access your security cameras remotely over the internet, from a mobile phone, for example. Next, let's take a look at some actual video surveillance footage transmitted from our security cameras over that wireless bridge. This is the live camera view on the NVR. These are the 3 IP cameras that are transmitting video over the wireless network. This 4th one is installed on the building and is hardwired. Not only is the video frame rate excellent, but it is high enough quality for the license plate recognition software to successfully detect plates as they pass through this area. This is significant because license plate capture requires excellent frame rate and video quality. I hope you found this video helpful. The team at CCTV Camera Pros has designing these long-range wireless security camera systems for customers for about 15 years now. That pole that we have out back, that's a pretty typical application like for a homeowners association or a gated community, but these wireless systems are applicable to a bunch of other applications that we've dealt with. We've designed systems like this for like self-storage facilities where there's multiple buildings, for farms where there's multiple buildings, oil fields, military complexes, any situation where there are multiple areas or multiple buildings where you have power but you don't have connectivity between the buildings is a good candidate for this system. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to me anytime. You can reach me at mike@cctvcamerapros.net. And if you want to learn more about this equipment, if you're on YouTube, I'll link to all this equipment down in the comments. But I'm also going to put all this info with some more pictures and more information on our blog. You'll be able to get directly to that post by going to www.cctvcarepros.com/wireless. Thanks for watching.